Hey guys, it's Chrissy again, Trucks, Buffs and Guns. On this episode, we're going to be talking about and doing a rinseless wash. So you've probably seen it a lot of detailing people lately. They've been using a lot of rinseless wash. Like, it's good for what is it to begin with? It's so you don't have to drag out the gurney, all your hoses, all the electrical stuff, all the buckets and mitts. So you start off with, say if you've got a relatively clean car, like you do a proper wash every couple of weeks, or every week or so, and you want to do that maintenance wash in between. So if it's just light to moderate dirt and grime, we'll use a rinseless wash, and we'll go into detail now how we're going to start it. But anyway, yeah, so people like to use it in between maintenance washes, you know, so you don't drag out all your equipment and stuff like that. I've been a bit skeptical about it, so I just got one off the shelf. Today we're going to be using the Autoglym Quick Refinish. I know there's some good brands that you can get online, but I thought just for the purpose of this video, I'll just go down to my local Repco, or you go super cheap, wherever you want, and I just grabbed one off the shelf, and we'll see how we go from there anyway. All right, let's get into it. All right, as you can see, this is fairly clean. I washed it a couple of weeks ago, not a couple of weeks ago, a couple of days ago, and then I went to work, and then now it's just got that light to moderate. So I'll give you a close-up of the paint. It's pretty shiny, but you can see there's still a bit of dust on there, and just your light to moderate. So I'm hoping this method's going to work just to do my maintenance washes. Instead of bringing, you know, like in the other episode when I bring my battery powered pressure washer and all my water drums, I have to bring everything, and usually I do this before work, which is 3 in the morning, which has been very cold lately. So I thought I'd try and give rinseless wash a go. I don't know, I've never tried it, so let's get into it. Okay, so here it is. It says, there we go, 5 capfuls to 10 litres of water. I've got a 20 litre bucket, so I'll put 10 capfuls, and which I'm going to do different. They recommend using one of their special sponges, but I'm just going to use a whole bunch of fresh microfiber towels, and just change it every time. I know their special sponge encapsulates the dirt, and then, but I don't know, I just like to use fresh all the time, brand new stuff, because nothing can go wrong pretty much. If you've got brand new towel every time, nothing can go wrong. I'm a bit skeptical about that, but, and then they're saying all you have to do is start wiping down, but I don't know, I don't trust that either. You could use your gurney and just rinse it down and then start sponging and then wipe off. But I'm just going to put some of this in a pump spray, and then I'll spray it, and that's how some other brands do their rinseless wash. So anyway, we'll go my method and see how we go. Alright, so I'm going to put 5 capfuls of this in, brand new bottle. Sorry, 10 capfuls. Ten cupfuls in that bucket, and then I'll put one cupful in my pump spray, and then I'll just spray down that before we start washing. So I'm just gonna quickly foam it up with the pressure washer in the bucket just to get all that suds come up. And I think you don't have to do this, but I just wanted to try it and see how it goes anyway. Alright, so not bad. So I put hot water in it at home, warm water, because I feel like warm water works better on a truck. So now we'll get the pump sprayer. I'll spray the quarter panel there, let that sit for a bit, and then we'll start sponging. Okay, so I've got the stuff in the pump sprayer. We'll spray this on, let it sit for a bit, use it as like a snow foam. Not quite, but you get what I mean anyway. Alright, so I've got a new cloth. Gonna dunk it in the bucket and we'll start doing the rinseless wash. You're meant to don't have it saturated, just a little bit. And anyway, let's try it. Nothing on the rag. I'll flick to a clean side. Nothing on the rag. I'll go again on another cleaner side. I'll dunk it in the water one more time. Okay, so we've sponged it. I'm gonna get a clean cloth now and we'll wipe it down and we'll see what it looks like. Okay, so I've got my cloth to dry it down. Alright, so we've dried it off. Now I know why people go for this way, because I know it's way faster than doing, you know, your traditional wash method. I'll get you a close up of this quarter panel. It's not too bad. Very faster than a traditional wash, because you don't have to rinse it now. But yeah, it's not too bad. This is not washed, this side. Just a quarter panel, because I didn't want to take a risk. But there are some slight, you'll see some marks anyway from previous washing, love marks as they call them, which need a polish. Yeah, it's not too bad. I'm happy with that. Now we'll try the wheels next. Okay, so now we'll try the wheels next. I'll just do the rim, don't worry about the tyre. That's I'll give you a close-up anyway of the what we got on the wheel. See, the chrome's pretty clean. Just the tyre, the rim, sorry. Shouldn't do this, but all for YouTube purposes. See, it's left a mark. Brake dust. So again, I'll put the pump sprayer, we'll go all around in there, and then we'll do a wash, and then we'll see how it looks. Okay, now we'll start doing the wheel. Another fresh cloth. Look at that. apparently with their sponge, if that goes on there, you can put it back in the bucket and then it just drops to the bottom of it. I'm not really convinced about that. You always want to be having fresh towels all the time. So I'll grab a fresh side, this one. Grab here a fresh one. Okay, so I've finished washing all that down. Now I'm just going to get it cloth and dry it all down. Okay, so I've finished doing the rim. I dried it all off. I should give you a close-up look. It's not too bad, I guess. I think with the rims, I know on a truck, I don't know about cars, but with truck rims, I think you're better off just doing your standard wash, because it gets all the grit and grime off. And you seen that rag, it was getting pretty dirty, so you'll be mowing through rags heaps. Yeah, but all in all, it's not too bad. The quarter panel come up nice. It's pretty good, yeah. It's definitely a quicker way of doing your standard wash in between washes. Yeah, I'll definitely use it again. I'll probably go another brand next time and see what they're like, but I'll definitely use this during the week, you know, in between my main washes, instead of me getting here at 3 in the morning and doing a proper wash in my maintenance washes when I'm freezing here, pitch black. Yeah, I'll probably use that next time. Just go over each panel, quick wipe down, and that's it. It'll save me heaps of time, and save me filling up those drums and carrying them from home to here and working in the dark and freezing cold before work and being saturated. This way I'll just do one panel, wipe it down, but we're yet to see if it leaves swirls. So this is fairly polished really well at the moment. There's only a few here and there, but I'll use it, and then we'll see if it swells up, and then I'll make another video. I reckon we give the bin a go too, just a quick try and see the tipper bin. We'll do one small section and we'll see how it comes up. I'll try and find the dirtiest spot. Oh yeah, there's one spot here. Yeah, you can see my mark there. We'll do that spot now. So I'll do that section there and there. Like I said, you don't need to do this step, but other rinseless washers, they put in a pump spray and then let it sit. With this Autoglym one, they say straight away wipe it down, but I don't know, I'm not a fan of that. So let that sit there that I've sprayed it, and I'll get my I'll get a new microfiber cloth and we'll wipe it down. Okay, so we'll just slide it like this. Alright, so we'll get a drying cloth now and we'll dry that off. Okay, so here it is. All in all, rinseless wash for my first time using it. What do I reckon? Yeah, it's not bad. It does have its place. Definitely has its place in between washes. Like you see in the quarter panel there, it's come up good. You know, you can probably go over that with a spray wax or something. I'll do a review on a spray wax in the next video. Yeah, well, even for someone, if they're living in an apartment and they've got no access to water, you know, on a relatively clean car down the car park block, you'd go into your apartment, fill up that bucket. Make sure you have plenty of microfiber clean towels with you all the time. All in all, yeah, like I said, I'll definitely use it. You know, if it saves me in the morning getting up at 3 instead, I get up a few hours later and I'll just do each panel, you know, with the rinseless wash in between washes. You would not use this if you got real big, dirty, muddy car. Don't do that. I'll be even hesitant to use it on something like that there. You know what I mean? There, I reckon that needs a proper wash there. Like I said, yeah, not too bad. The wheels, like I said, I'll be using doing it the proper way. There's too much contamination there and you'll be going through rags like no tomorrow. The bin, yeah, it's not bad, you know, but a lot of contamination comes on the bin too, you know, from all the tip sites and shit. So I'd stick to normal washing, but the cabin, yeah, I'll definitely be using rinseless wash in between washes from now on. That'll save me a lot of time, and getting drenched too, 3 in the morning drenched and then going to work all wet and cranking the heater up, trying to dry up again. And yeah, anyway guys, if you like this video, let me know, leave a comment. Anyway, till the next one, catch up.